Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Nicola.
And I'm Sasha.
And today we are starting a very exciting video.
This is going to be our party planning video.
Our birthday is coming up kind of soon and we decided that we wanted to have a little gathering for our birthday this year instead of going to a restaurant, so we're going to be doing it at home. And we're planning the whole thing ourselves, so we thought we would bring you guys along because we're super excited about planning everything and getting everything ready.
So we're going to talk you through our party planning process, and then also all of the little details that we're planning, which will make it super special.
So we hope you guys can get some tips or ideas from this video. We're planning on doing kind of like a boho picnic kind of vibe, but we'll put some pictures up of what we're kind of going for at the moment. But today we're just gonna go shopping and get a few little things that we want to get for the party.
We're also expecting a really exciting delivery today, so hopefully we can show you that when we get home.
But for now we're gonna head into the shop, so we'll see you in there.
Alright, so we've just come back from the shops and our package has arrived, so we're going to show you guys what's in here and also some of the stuff that we got at the shops.
So we weren't able to get everything we wanted at the shops, but we did get two things. So we got some little napkins. These are just like little brown ones. They have text on them. It just says "Let's Party"
From Kmart.
Yeah, they were kind of cute, and they'll go with our plates, which are just like plain white. And then we also got these rosebuds, dried rosebuds that we're gonna try use to decorate our ice tub. Ice bucket. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully those will look really nice on there, and maybe we can use them in drinks as well.
Or we could sprinkle them across the table.
Yeah, they're just so pretty, and I don't know, I feel like they fit our theme and they'll look really cute for decoration.
Yeah. And then, so those, we got those napkins because they'll also go quite cute with the rest of our table settings. These little
pink and white polka dot straws, and we've got just plain white paper plates and paper cups. So I feel like that will look really cute together.
Nice table settings.
Nice little color palette. And then of course we have our parcel. So we'll show you guys what's in here in a second. Hey, let's open this. This decoration is so cute. It says, "Your day just got sweeter." That was so easy to cut. Oh my gosh. That is such cute packaging. Okay, the packaging is so pretty.
It's beautiful.
Basically what we got is a whole bunch of fairy floss. And you do not want to know how much we spent on all of this, but it's going to be to decorate the table, so we thought it was worth it. And
so it's from this brand called Fluff. They're super cool. They're Sydney based.
So this is what the whole box looks like. It's actually full to the brim. It's just the cutest packaging though, the cute pink box. Anyway, so we got a bunch of different flavors of fairy floss. This one is Pisces because we are Pisces. So this one's rose flavored. We got, what are these? These little gold silver ones are champagne.
And these are birthday cake.
So cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try these, but we actually have to save them all because I think we only bought enough for how much we needed. But yeah, look, the packaging comes with these little scratch and sniff stickers.
Scratch and sniff?
Yeah. They smell so good.
God.
I don't know what.
It's like strawberry?
It's strawberry and sugar. And we also got these. We got 3 boxes of these, and it's potion floss. So I think this is their fairy floss that you can put into drinks, which I mean, I am so excited for this. You basically you put it in the glass and pour whatever you want over the top. And it makes your drink gold and sparkling.
Oh my god, that's what it looks like.
So magical.
So there's, I think, 4 little sachets in here. Yeah. Oh my god. The packaging is just so nice.
Yeah, this is so cute.
Amazing.
Oh my gosh. I can't wait to use all of this.
These little bags are going to sit at everybody's place at the table.
Yeah.
And then we'll have
so it's
everyone's cups. We'll have little champagne flutes with the fairy floss in it for when everyone arrives. So yeah. It'll be a nice welcome.
Hi guys! we are coming back to you guys with a quick little update on the party planning so far. We're still about 3 or 4 weeks away from the party, so we still have tons of time. But we're kind of just getting everything organised well in advance because we're going to be starting uni again soon, and we just want to get that all out of the way.
So we've decided that we're going to hire a bunch of champagne flutes because we don't have enough, and going to a bunch of op shops to collect some is a little bit pricier, and then we'll also be like stuck with all of the glasses once we're done. So yeah, we decided that hiring the glasses was the best way to go about it.
And still super cheap because I think it was like 70 or 90 cents per glass. We've also decided that for our glasses we're going to make some little name tags just so that nobody forgets which glasses there's, and it's easier to keep track of your own glass. Yeah, so we're just going to make some little cardboard name tags now, and we'll show you what they look like. We just saw a picture of this online and thought this was like the simplest, easiest way to make name tags for glasses.
So to make our little drink tags, we've got some white cardboard and then this ruler to help us draw the circles and a hole punch. And then we'll end up with a bunch of these little tags which we'll string around the stems of our glasses with one of these different types of string.
Another thing that we've been trying to get organised for our party was the cake. So we didn't know whether we wanted to get a cake made or if we wanted to make our cake ourselves or just get it from like a local bakery. And in the end, I decided that I was going to try and see if I could make my own cake. And I've been binge watching this cake channel called Cakes by MK, and her videos are so good and super helpful if you're looking to learn a bit more about cake making. So this is the cake I've made. So the first cake I made was definitely a bit of a flop. I don't even have photos of it, but it was tiny and it was not very good because I tried to make it 3 tiers. So then I made this cake. This is the second one I've practiced, and to be honest, it came out a whole lot better than I expected. I wanted it to be like a semi-naked cake, so it has like a little bit of icing on the outside, but it's kind of scraped away. And I put some gold leaf on the side here, and then I just piped a bunch of icing on the side. I'll see if I can put in some videos of when I actually made it and decorated it, but I also had some flowers sitting on the top, which I think will look really nice if we have nice fresh flowers to put on top. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the cake that I made, and I think I'm gonna make the one for our birthday as well. The one for our birthday, I'm thinking will look pretty similar to this one with the fresh flowers and just semi-naked icing around the outside. And it tastes delicious. Hopefully I can make it look just as pretty as this one did. And it's definitely a good option because it's a whole lot cheaper than buying a cake or getting one made for us. We also have this really cute little heart mold. So I used this to make some cute little chocolate hearts, and I put one on the cake here with some gold sparkles on it. So I'm going to make a few more of those and then decorate the cake with those as well. And hopefully it will look really cute. guys, it is now one day before our party and we've spent today just doing some last minute things we needed to get organised.
Yeah, so we've picked up the champagne glasses that we're hiring, and we just filled up our silver number balloons with some helium, and we did some food shopping as well. We've secured the balloons, they're just in the boot as we drive home. Alright, so these are the glasses that we hired. We got exactly 20 and they look like this. So I'm going to put some name tags on them now.